That means this time you could see some expression looking like this. And what we do is like we look for the product. And then we look for the factor of this product, which will result in the sum equals to b. Okay, so let's see this one. 6 times 6, which is equals to 36, and we want to have 13, negative 13 here. So what do? We just have to see what kind of factor does 36 have. And in the beginning, we try to write the thing and then do the calculation all together. And now we see this one is going to be what we want, which is negative 4 and negative 9. So quickly, we can just write it as equals to 6x minus 4x minus 9x plus 6. And then we do the factoring for the term. As you can see it involves your skills of factoring it. So make sure that you know how to do the factoring. And this is the result. On the other hand, there could be another method that we call it a box method. So once you find out the pair, we just have to rewrite it into the grid, looking like this. And then we want to find out the factor of both of them. So you can imagine this one must be x and x here. But then we want to see what is in common between negative 9x and 6, which should be negative 3. Okay? But then what should it be right here so that you could have negative 3 times something which gives you negative 9x. So it has to be 3x here. And then we know this is one, well, we have 2. And what do we have here? We will have to have negative 2. Okay? Therefore, this is how we can use the box method as well. Let's look at one more example or two more examples so that we will see that whether you can use it properly. And you can pause it and then you play that once you feel like you have done it. So 10 times negative 3, which is going to be negative 30. And we need to find a pair. Can you find it? Yeah, it should be 5 and 6, and 5 should be the smaller one, so that you got 1 right here. Okay, so I'm going to do both methods so that you can see it. This time I start with the box method so that you may be able to tell quickly. First, 10m squared, negative 3, and right here is like negative 5m, and then 6m. And for negative 5m and negative 3, technically there's nothing that they can share. So it's just 1. But both of them got the negative, so we bear in mind first. Right now, this one, they share 2m. Therefore, this one have to be 5m. That means right now, this one have to be negative. Okay? And after that, both of them share 3. And you will see that this is matching with what we want. So, it's going to be 2m minus 1, 5m plus 3. So let's check whether that is true. So we got 10m squared plus 6m minus 5m minus 3. And then we got 2m, and here is 5m plus 3, and minus 5m plus 3 because we put it in bracket. So we will have the result to be like this. Do you get it? Or do you have the same result? Next one, or next example. Okay. It's like this. 10a squared. Oh, we have done it. Sorry. Next example, we could have 2a squared minus 11a plus 12. So 2 times 12 equals to 24. And we just want to have minus 3, minus 8, these two factors. Okay, so using the box method, we have 2a squared, 12 here, and minus 3a, minus 8a. And quickly that we can do is like 3 here and negative 3. That means right here is going to be A. Means this one have to be 2A. So next one is going to be -4 here. And it should automatically match all the situation that we have. So 2a minus 3, a minus 4 is what we are looking for. Or we can just do it with what we have done just now, minus 3a minus 8a plus 12. So we got a, and then 2a minus 3 minus 4, 2a minus 3 like this. Therefore, we have 2a minus 3 times a minus 4 as a sum. Okay,